Look, y'all. I'm out at the laundromat, right? Look, that bird must have like their car. They must have messed with that bird. They must have messed with the birds. That bird has spoken alive. Oh, the birds have spoken alive to them. They said, I hate you. Look at the top of that car. Look at the top of that car. Bird poop. Everywhere.
Yo, why haven't a bird poop on your dad's car?
Hey, this ain't getting up there. I mean, we have... Yo, what are they want to doodle right on their heads, y'all?
I'll be weak.
I would have been weak.
Hey, speaking of doodle bird poop, here's one right here.
Man, look at our car. I don't doodle nowhere.
Hey, remember?
That's just rain.
Remember
Drawed up rain and stuff.
Yeah, remember when your mom spit out the window? And
Shut
it
up.
came back on the right side?
That was nasty.
Yo, she spit out the window, right? Good thing this window was out.
Yo, look at the car. Look at the car. Whoa. Oh, drink. Dang, I almost fell. Wee.
Get in the car.
Look at that car.
Get in the car, right here.